global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. It has become very normal that more often than not, Southeast has become militarized because of the issue of insecurity going on in the Southeast. If you don't hear things like UGM, you keep hearing things like hoodlums, taking over the place, or you keep hearing things like vigilantes being created, or the regional security outfit being created by the Southeastern governors called Ipob security outfit, committing one issue or the other that is bringing a lot of tension in the area. But as we speak, the indigenous people of Biafra have decided to reveal what is going on. In fact, they have opened up on things that are going on that most people do not know. They actually allege, because we don't know yet, but they are having their facts and figures according to indigenous people of Biafra of what is going on, and they're making it public to the whole world today. Before going to the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, according to the indigenous people of Biafra, that's Ipob, has alleged that the Nigerian military is planning to carry out a genocide on some communities in Ihiala, Nnewi local government areas of Anambra State, and Osu Oru local government areas of Imo State, which is mentioned two, Ihiala, Nnewi in Anambra. Then he mentioned three, which is Osu Oru, all in Imo State. This three is actually in Imo State, all local government in Imo State. But in a statement signed and issued by Ima Powerful, the indigenous people of Biafra's IPOB's media and publicity secretary, the group stated that the military officials have gone round the communities in a bid to eliminate Biafrans. The group further alleged that some politicians in the region have connived with the military to bring down some of their kinsmen. The statement reads in part, and I quote, "This is to alert the general public and the entire world that another event is about to happen in Ihiala local government area, Nnewi, south of Anambra State, and Olu local government area, Osu local government area, Oru as ORU, Oru West and Oru East in Imo State by Nigerian government security agencies. Nigerian military is circling these communities and cities to invade for possible elimination of Biafrans. The indigenous people of Biafra warns politicians in the region that if any soul is lost in any community and or any local government areas we have them to contend with. We are reliably informed that a few governors in the region joined the Nigerian army and security apparatus to commit this heinous act against our people and help them in perfecting the bringing down of their people, and they should and must retrace their steps because it will not succeed. It will not succeed with their plan. They will not succeed with their evil plot against the people of Biafra. The details will come tomorrow, which means they don't have the full details at hand. The governor should not allow any soul to be lost unjustly this time around. We are putting the whole world on notice of this criminal preparation to commit a heinous crime against innocent citizens of these communities and Biafra. The communities he mentioned, I take that again, there are 5, 2 in Anambra, 3 in Imo State. In Ihiala, Nnewi, those are actually local government areas of Anambra State. Then Olu, Osu, Oru local government areas, the 3 of them are in Imo State. I do not know how IPOB got this information, but they didn't give the full facts and figures, but they are sure of those 5 communities. But they're actually also alleging and insinuating that this whole thing is happening simply because there's an internal infiltration. What do I mean? They're actually pointing fingers at politicians that it has gone beyond the IPOB thing. It's never an IPOB thing. It is now the politicians now working hand in hand with people, and they're bringing down, southeasterners. But based on what some of these guys, we've watched some of the videos of the military or the security agencies. They keep saying that the people they bring, that peaceful people in South, they should go about their daily duties. Some of the videos, if you have watched them, you would agree with me that they will say, look, go about if you are not guilty of any crime, go about your regular duties. Don't be scared. That they know who they are looking out for. They're looking out for hoodlums. You see series and series of videos where they bring out some persons. I can't forget. I think sometime a month ago, where a woman cried out that they brought down her husband and her son. They tagged them. Yes, and the woman swore upon her life that her husband is a driver of a commercial bus, a commercial, well-known commercial bus in Southeast, and that he has never either identified with IPOB or even know anyone that is in ESN, but that to her amazement, they called her on phone that she should come and identify her son, that her son has also been brought down, and they tagged him an ESN member. And she was angry, she was sad, she was crying, and she was unconsolable because she lost about two persons, about simultaneously about that same week. And what caught her attention was, this is no longer funny, and it's not every young man that should be called IPM member. It's not every young man that should be called, or every man at all that should be called ESM member. And according to her, she's of the opinion that it's not everybody that is in support of the Biafran agitation, but the way things are going in Southeast, one will now be forced to consider this issue of Biafra agitation simply because they see that people seem not to be safe anymore. But the truth be told, as it is right now, I feel that everyone should remain calm. If you are not so sure of your, because no, see, honestly, that's why when people are shouting that they should plot coup, if you have never been in a military regime before, don't pray for it. These guys, the military guys, security guys, they're good in their element, but don't let them lord authority over you. You will not be able to contend with it. Okay, so the issue of militarization is they came by invitation. The likes of Imo State Governor accepted that he invited the military to come. He wanted the federal mind to help him squash ESN and IPB members. Okay, so they have the full legal backings of the chief security officer of Imo State, taking the case study of Imo State, because of the three communities that were actually mentioned in there. And they also have the full legal backing of even the chief security officer of the nation, Muhammadu Buhari. With those full legal backing, coupled with the fact that there is a mandate upon the security people to bring law and order into bear, then whatever happens, well, they're actually justified within the ambience of the law in Nigerian context, though. So if you know you cannot, the wisdom demands that every mother there that have grown boys, mostly guys, take them out of the community till things waters down. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation, please. What's your take?